This is denoted by any capital letter, just like we have taken A, and all the elements of these sets will be in any curly bracket. Just like 1 is the element of set A, 2 is the element of set A, 3 is the element of set A, and so on. Okay, all the elements are called elements of set A. Similarly, another example, B, January, February, okay, these type of sets. This is the set of all the months of year. This is the set of all the natural numbers. Okay, and all the set of all the natural numbers are denoted by capital N. Wherever capital N is written, you must understand it. N is the set of all the natural numbers. Okay, all the natural numbers. Similarly, capital R is the set of all real numbers. Okay, real number. What is real number? The real number is the collection of all rational and irrational number. Okay, rational and irrational. All the rational and irrational numbers. All the rational and irrational number are the member of set of real numbers. Okay, and the set of all real numbers is denoted by capital R. Then, first thing in the topic sets we will discuss is types of sets. Okay, types of sets in which the first is finite set. What is finite set? Is set containing finite number of elements. Okay, these set have containing finite number of elements. Just like example is set A that have element 1, 2, set B that have element A, B, okay, set C element 0, 1, 2, comma A, and so on. In these all types and all examples, A is finite set because it has finite number of element 1 and 2. This is finite. And B is also finite set, but C is infinite set. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and so on. This is the set of whole numbers, and whole numbers are infinite. So C is infinite set, but A and B is finite set. Okay. Now, what is cardinal number? What is cardinal number? Cardinal number is the number of elements in any finite set. Look at here. A is the set having elements 1 and 2. That means number of elements in A will be equals to 2. Count it, 1 and 2. Okay. Number of elements in B will be also 2 because we have the element A and B. These are only 2. Okay. And cardinal number is always denoted by n of the set. Okay. N of the set. Just like here, A is the set having elements 1 and 2. B is the set having elements A and B. And number of elements in A, that is cardinality of A, will be 2. And number of elements in B, that is cardinality of B, that is also 2. Okay. Now, the next type of set is empty set. Next type of set is empty set. Empty set, it is also known as null set. Okay. Void set. Empty set have another names, null set, void set. Okay, empty set means what? A set containing no any element. No any element. Just like taking an example, C is the set having no any element. This set is empty. It is denoted by curly bracket or phi. Okay. Its cardinality will be 0 because it has no any element. Okay. All these are the basics of sets and will be used in the questions. Okay. Today we will also discuss the questions. So study properly, and wherever you have any doubt, you may ask using raise your hand. Okay. Now we will discuss about sets. Sorry, subsets. What is subset? Very, very important topic of sets. Okay, this is VVI topic. E, let A and B are two sets. Okay, let A and B are sets. If every element of A, just like I am taking an example, see, look at here, set A having elements 1, 2, set B having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, look at here properly. Set A having elements 1 and 2, set B having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means you can see it, you can see these elements in A as well as in B. Okay, and B is the greater than A because B having 5 elements and A have only 2 elements. Okay, then we can say that A is the subset of B. Okay, whenever all the members of any set A are present in another set B, then we will call A is the subset of B, and it is denoted by this sign. Okay, now for example, D is the set having elements 1, 2. Okay, now we will write the subsets of these. How to write the subset? All subsets. Okay, all subsets. To write all subsets. First subset is phi always. Second, phi is the null set, empty set, void set. Okay, phi is the subset of all the sets. Phi is the subsets of all the sets. Phi is the subset of all the sets. So first write phi. Okay, then write each element of the set. Each element, just like first element is 1, so write 1. Okay, second element is 2, write 2, and subset is also a set. This is the type of set. Okay, phi is what? Null set, and 1 is also a set, not only element. So mark by curly bracket, and 2 ko mark curly bracket. Okay, then write pair, just like here pair only 1 and 2, 1, 2. Every set will be the subset of itself. Just like this is D and this is also D, subset of itself. Okay, clear or not? I am writing a formula. Total number of subsets. Okay, total number of subsets. How to find it? To find using the formula 2 to the power n. And where n is what? N is cardinality of the set or number of elements in the set. Okay, okay, number of elements in the set. Just like here, number of elements in the set D is 2. Then total number of subset will be square of 2, that is 4. And count it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So now we will going towards the proper subset. Okay. Today we will cover a question on proper subset also. So what is proper subset? In proper subsets, we will eliminate the set itself. Okay, we will eliminate the set itself. Suppose B is a set having elements A, B. Okay, and B is a set having elements A and B. And its subsets will be what? Its subsets will be phi, A, B, and AB. If we will exclude this, because this is the same as the set, we will exclude this, then these are the proper subsets of the set. Okay. So number of proper subset will be what? Number of proper subsets will be what? 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay. This formula will be used.